XH EPW 160H. Enclosed parts washer with auxiliary heating system. Parts wash in large enclosed cabinet with highly protection from solvent splash and odor. Fluorescent lighting system for bright view. Auxiliary heating system supplying max 60 Celsius degree solvent, which highly increase cleaning efficiency. Washing pressure 70 to 120 psi. Washing recirculate flux 0.8 liters per minute. Working area 29 by 22 by 17.8 inches. Pneumatic washing gun suitable for rapid cleaning. External air fan brings excellent ventilation.